Temperature range: 140 degrees to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees to 87 degrees Celsius. Probe length: 4.75 in. Dial diameter: 2.375 in. Large, easy-to-read dial face with target cooking temperatures. Premium stainless steel probe. Thermometer can stay in meat through the entire cooking process. Made to melt in your mouth, the Escali Oven Safe Meat Thermometer features target cooking temperatures printed on an easy-to-read dial display for quick reference. It has a durable stainless steel design which is NSF certified, oven safe and dishwasher safe. Oven safe. The durable stainless steel construction allows the thermometer to be left in meat as it is cooking in an oven or grill. Target cooking temperatures. Internal cooking temperatures are labeled on the large dial display for easy reference when preparing beef, poultry, pork, veal, lamb. NSF certified. The manufacturing process of this product is regularly checked and certified by the National Sanitation Foundation and meets the highest standards for public health protection. Large easy-to-read dial. The large dial display is easy to read and features both Fahrenheit and Celsius measurements. Dishwasher safe. The premium stainless steel construction is durable and dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. A great addition to my kitchen tools. I know my oven runs a little cold, an apartment appliance, so most timed recipes leave foods undercooked to 1 degree or another. I had an insertable oven thermometer in order to check for proper doneness, but learned the hard way its dial cover was plastic, not compatible with being stuck into a hunk of meat left there as it cooked. This oven-rated thermometer works great. Its dial cover is heat-resistant, glass, and the larger dial with a movable pointer for the desired temp makes it easy to monitor my food for proper internal temperatures when I am cooking.